In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks 20-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded Greenworks 20-inch snow thrower models. In this video, we feature an 80-volt model. Your snow thrower may look slightly different. However, all the instructions and information provided still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. To prevent accidental injury or damage to the product, we do not recommend moving the box on your own. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully remove the unit from the box. This may require a second person. The handle is attached to the snow thrower by a wire. Gently set these components next to the unit, being cautious not to damage the wire. Remove any zip ties and plastic from the handle components. The operator's manual can be found in the bag with the chute deflector. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Installing the middle handle. Remove the U-bolts and knobs from the lower handle. Align the holes on the middle and lower handle. Ensure that the bracket is facing down. Insert the U-bolts through the holes and secure the knob. Repeat on the opposite side. Installing the upper handle. Remove the knobs and bolts located near the top of the middle handle. Align the holes on the upper and middle handles. Reinsert the handle bolt through the holes and secure the knob. Repeat on the opposite side. Assembling the chute deflector. The chute is pre-installed on this unit. Push the chute deflector until the latching tabs on both sides click into the slots and the posts on both sides click into place. Installing the chute control rod. Remove the hitch pin from the chute control rod. Align the holes in the upper chute control rod and lower chute control rod and reinsert the pin. Rotate the chute to be facing forward. Ensure that the arrows on the discharge chute and snow thrower body are aligned. With the handle facing up, put the end of the chute control rod through the bracket on the middle handle and into the hole at the back of the unit. Push the chute control rod into the hole on the back of the snow thrower. You will feel the rod wedge into place when installed correctly. Verify that the chute control rod has been properly installed by turning the handle left and right to make sure that the discharge chute moves in the same direction. Secure the cables. Fasten the cables to the handle using the clips. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.